Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by chopping 200-300 g of good quality chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly. This avoids graininess. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water for a double boiler or microwave in 20-30 second bursts, stirring between each burst. Once most pieces are soft, stir until smooth. You want a glossy, fluid texture. While it melts, line a tray with parchment and fit a piping bag or a zip bag with a tiny corner snipped so you can form consistent chips quickly. Once your chocolate is smooth, you temper it to lock and shine and snap. Tempering prevents bloom. You can seed with 20-30% finely chopped chocolate or use the tabling method. Cool dark chocolate to about 28-29 degrees and milk/white to 26-27 degrees. Transfer to your piping bag and pipe 1/2 to 3/4-inch drops on the parchment, leaving a small gap between each chip. Make small batches so the chocolate stays within temper range. You finish by letting the pipe chip set at cool room temperature, about 20-22 degrees C, or chill for 5-10 minutes until fully hardened. Rapid chilling can dull shine, so aim for moderate cooling. Peel chips from parchment and store airtight in a cool, dry place at 16-18 degrees C to keep texture and flavor. If you see white streaks or soft texture later, that's fat or sugar bloom. Simply remelt and retemper the chocolate, then repipe to restore shine and snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.